I am leaving now. زه ځم. I am leaving now. I agree with you. زه تا سره متفق یم. I agree with you. People generally like tea. خلق عام طور چای خوښوي. People generally like tea. Your book is here. ستا کتاب دلته دی. Your book is here. He showed me the way. هغه ما ته لار وښودله. He showed me the way. You and I. ته او زه. You and I. This exam is easy. دا امتحان آسان دی. This exam is easy. The ship is big. کښتۍ لویه ده. یعنی کشتۍ لویه ده. The ship is big. Take action now. وس عمل وکړه. Take action now. Stay here. دلته اوسه. Stay here. Wear a hat. ټوپۍ په سر کړه. Wear a hat. He moved away. هغه لرې لاړ. He moved away. This is my property. دا زما ملکیت دی. This is my property. This shirt fits me. دا کمیس په ما پوره دی. This shirt fits me. He is my enemy. هغه زما دښمن دی. He is my enemy. He states the facts. هغه حقیقت بیانوي. He states the facts. Show me the way. ما ته لار وښیه. Show me the way. The tree grew tall. ونه لویه شوه. The tree grew tall. We talked afterwards. وروسته مونږ خبرې وکړې. We talked afterwards. He was born here. هغه دلته پیدا شو. He was born here. I visited many places. ما ډیرو ځایونو ته چکر ووهو. I visited many places. Karachi is a city. کراچۍ یو ښار دی. Karachi is a city. Nothing is impossible. هیڅ ناممکن نه دی. Nothing is impossible. This is my state. دا زما ولایت دی. This is my state. ولایت یعنی ریاست. The book is worth reading. کتاب د لوستلو لایق دی. The book is worth reading. He arrived late. هغه ناوخته راغی. He arrived late. It's a happy occasion. دا د خوشحالۍ موقع ده. It's a happy occasion. Remain quiet. چپ اوسه. Remain quiet. Please help me. کومک مې وکړه. Please help me. The grass is green. واښه شنه دي. The grass is green. He got married. د هغه واده وشو. He got married. That is my bag. دغه زما بسته ده. That is my bag. یا تاسو ویلی شئ That is my bag. دغه زما کڅوړه ده. This is the third time. دا دریم ځل دی. This is the third time. Open your mouth. خوله دې کولاو کړه. Open your mouth. I need sleep. ما له خوب پکار دی. I need sleep. The period is over. موده ختم شوه. The period is over. I want fresh air. زه تازه هوا غواړم. I want fresh air. Have faith in God. په خدای یقین ساته. Have faith in God. This system works. دا نظام کار کوي. This system works. د دې سينورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره دا چینل PE سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نو چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.